All right, so it is September 22nd, Tuesday. So we caught this trade just in time, I think. So we are in actually a little bit, tad bit late, 3 pennies late here. We got in at 58.70, 58.73 would have been ideal. So we're in a little bit late there, but all good. We're going to put our stops in right now. So off of this one. So here we are. So position, stop, market. Actually, I'm going to go with a range low of, let's go to the next level down, which is 58.08. I'm going to sit here and watch it. 58.08. High range 59.07. I'm going to make it break it. Alright, so we're short, so we're going to be buying it back. 59.07, 58.08, right stock. Okay, cool. Come up here, see that our order's in, so we're in. Good to go. Alright, so today our account opened with $515 in it because we made a little money yesterday. So hopefully we'll make some more money on this trade right now. So we have 33 shares, and we're, we have a potential of 40-cent loss basically, somewhere in that area. So if nothing else, we end up back where we were yesterday, but hopefully we can slowly add to our account, and maybe we'll get lucky and get a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 out of it. All right, we'll bring it back to you when we get to the conclusion. All right, so this is basically hit the target. Almost, but enough to where I'm going to move my stop to break even. So my high range now will be 58.73, 71. Looking at the spread, make sure I get out, break even basically. Low range 58. Okay, cool. All right, clear. And then I'm short, so I'm going to buy it back. So there we go. So hit our target. Almost hit our target, made most of the way there. So I'll put my stop break even, and I'm waiting for this to get through the target. With it pretty much just barely hitting the target there, I could have just jumped out, right? As soon as this backed up, I could have said, you know what, good trade, I'm out. But because I'm trading with such small share size on this move and commissions is so expensive, that I'm going to wait for it to actually get through the target, because I won't be in profit until I get through the target, actually. Even with this big move, there's no profit until it breaks this line, and then profit starts because of commissions. So insane. I know from a risk management standpoint, it doesn't make any sense to risk 20 bucks to make $1.50. But we're just doing all in all the time as part of this little test. And makes no sense whatsoever. I know, but that's what we're doing right now. So we're going to see how this fun little experiment goes. All right, so we're through. We're down here through. So we're going to move that stop. So the stop is at 41, high range now. 40. We'll go with 40 because of the spread. So 40, we're going to clear, and we're going to hit buy because we're short, so we're going to recover. All right, we're going to give it a chance to run to this next level, and we don't have that much time left. We only have about 4 candles left, so we'll see how far it wants to go. But yeah, hey, we made profit today. $1.50 or something like that, but it's still profit. It's another green day. All right, it's backing up. It's backing up. Yeah, we're out. Okay, cool. All right, so we are out of that trade, and we are net P&L for the day $1.70. Woohoo! Risk 20 bucks to make $1.70. Insane. But all in all the time experiment continues. We're still alive. Count is still going. All right, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.